You're now live.
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Aisha Umar and today, as you can see, मैं अपने घर में नहीं हूँ. I am at my neighbor's place and my neighbor is this really cool trainer who's holding the phone right now. Her name is Seher. Like I told you guys in a video message in the afternoon, cycling se pehle, I met Seher while I was cycling. Actually, बड़ी लंबी कहानी है. Seher को बुलाते हैं and then I'll tell you guys how this has happened and why we are together right now. Come on, Seher.
Yeah.
Hi.
Aisha. Yeah.
Social distancing.
Exactly.
Well, we have been kind of isolating together क्योंकि हम एक ही बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं और हम दोनों ने I think अब एक महीने से ज़्यादा हो गया.
Definitely, yes.
Yeah, we've been isolating and we started cycling 2 weeks ago. और मुझे सहर मिली वॉक करते हुए नीचे.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
we decided कि हम साइकिलिंग शुरू करें और फिर हमने साइकिलिंग शुरू की and then we decided to work out together. So today is our first day and thank you all for joining us. And Seher जो है अभी तक I've been working out with Hydro thrice a week and I will also be working out with him, but I decided to do something new and this is going to be really cool for all the girls क्योंकि लड़कियां जो हैं वो थोड़ा सा I think उनकी जो target areas होते हैं वो लड़कों से फर्क होते हैं.
Definitely, हाँ. उनके workouts भी different होते हैं.
Workouts भी different होते हैं. So we're going to make this fun and not boring. We're going to make this really like high energy. और सिर्फ 20 मिनट का workout होगा.
20 मिनट का. Because generally लड़कियों के पास ज़्यादा time भी नहीं होता. Specifically, the ones who are married, बच्चे, husband, all of that. So 20 minutes में हम उनको इतना अच्छा workout दिखाएंगे without any weights as of today.
Yeah.
And they'll be able to burn so many calories.
Yeah. Today we're not using any weights, guys.
Yeah.
We're just in a room on a carpet with no shoes on.
Yeah.
And this is like because mostly a lot of people are not wearing shoes inside their houses also. मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं पहन रही और we're roaming around barefoot and इफ्तारी को अब हो गए हैं 2.5 घंटे.
Yeah, so we're kind of good to work out now.
I didn't eat too much, huh?
You could have had like a lot of food.
You know,
अभी workout तो काफी देर बाद कर रहे हो ना आयशा?
But I was out for इफ्तारी.
Yeah, you were out for इफ्तारी.
Cycling हमने की. तो सहर मैडम इफ्तारी के लिए घर आ गई थी लेकिन मैंने बाहर इफ्तारी की. मैं अपनी इफ्तारी साथ लेके गई थी. और अब कितना आप बैग में लेके जाएंगे?
I know, yeah. So what do you plan to do? Like eat after? Right after?
Right after.
Okay.
Not right after.
Yeah.
I'm going to wait about half an hour.
अच्छा, that's amazing, yeah.
है ना? आधा घंटा wait करूँगी and then I'm going to eat. I have some, I don't know, मैं अपने meals मंगवा रही हूँ from this place called Nutri. And अभी 2 दिन हुए हैं तो मुझे सहरी और इफ्तारी और snacks मिल रहे हैं. So it's been nice, but I'm also adding my own things.
Exactly, but I'm glad that you're carrying your water bottle. This is very, very important.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, water with you.
I always carry my water.
Yeah.
And इस time पे because हम पूरा दिन पानी नहीं पी रहे, we're fasting. So it's very important to be drinking a lot of water from iftari to sehri. So I try कि मैं जितना पानी पी सकूं.
As much as you can, yeah. And अभी जो sweat करोगे, so you would need a lot of water, like a sip of water after every 5 minutes, and it'll be fun.
Forgot to take off the.
I'm excited.
I'm very excited. And finally, the whole idea of being physically distant and socially distant is from people, of course, who are apart from you. Like families live together. So me and Seher are almost like family living together. Because we're neighbors and we know हम और किसी से नहीं मिल रहे. अब हम 1-1.5 महीने से we're confined in our homes.
Aisha, you won't believe it. I don't even have cousins here. So second cousin, third, no one around here.
I'm not meeting anybody. The only people I meet, I see other people I see on the road. जब मैं cycling के लिए
outside,
right? Yeah. वो भी we're all 6 feet apart. We never really come close to each other. But now I think Seher is going to be my quarantine family in Ramzan.
I like that.
My quarantine family, because I'm gonna come over to Seher's place every day, which is next door to mine. Just tiptoe, and then we're gonna be working out.
Amazing. So what do you think? Should we start?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I should start explaining the workout. कि हम
Yes.
क्या-क्या करेंगे आज?
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. So like Aisha said, it's going to be short and fun. और आज हम कोई weights वगैरह हमारे साथ नहीं है because we want to keep the workout as basic. ताकि आराम से जो लोग देख रहे हैं वो कर लें. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with abs. So many people complain कि पेट निकल आया, whatever, और tummy के muscles सबसे छोटे होते हैं. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि आप ab workout ना करो. So we're gonna start off.
By the way, I hate doing abs.
Yeah, I know. I mean, everyone hates doing abs. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with a short 6-7 minutes ab workout. फिर हम stretches कर लेंगे दोनों साथ. Then we have Tabata. Tabata is super fun, super intense. You're gonna sweat a lot. A lot. Yeah. So 10-12 minutes of Tabata, and then we're gonna end with nice cool stretches.
Okay.
So that's going to be it.
So
20
what's
minutes.
the time right now?
Let me see. It's 9:37.
It's 9:37. Okay.
Yeah. So we should
सिर्फ 7 minutes के लिए बातें की हैं. मुझे तो लगा था हमने बहुत बातें की.
quarantine mode.
I know. It's like I'm actually feeling very weird कि मैं किसी की physical presence में हूँ क्योंकि it's been a while since I've been in a room with someone else. So it's interesting. Because we're still like अच्छा दूर ही रहे.
Yeah. She entered and she was using sanitizer and all of that. So it was fun. It was interesting.
Yeah. I mean we're taking all the precautionary measures that we can, and we're very lucky कि हम एक ऐसे compound में रहते हैं जहाँ पे there are strict measures being followed. कोई delivery के लिए लोग अंदर नहीं आ सकते. Everything has to be left at the gate. We ourselves go and get anything that's being delivered to us at the main entrance. So nobody from outside is really coming in. जितना भी domestic staff है हमारी building में, हमारे compound में, वो लोगों के या तो घरों में रहते हैं. बाहर से मेरा तो कोई staff नहीं है, so I have nobody coming from outside. You have a live-in person.
I have a live-in
right?
person.
So you're
yeah.
lucky.
जो आने जाने वाली थी वो she's not allowed anymore. So yeah.
Yeah. So all of us who live in this compound, we know कि अच्छा अब 1 महीना हो गया है. We've all quarantined. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. Nobody is sick. We haven't heard of any case that's sick in our compound. Mashallah.
Mashallah.
So we've all been very careful.
And we will be careful. Yeah.
This is something that is doable. कि हम जितना एक this is probably Sarah's probably going to be the only person that I'm going to be meeting all of Ramzan apart from
lucky me.
I mean we're going to be meeting our cycling buddies दूर से, but इतनी close proximity में सिर्फ हम होंगे.
Yeah. That's great. Yeah.
And so then we cannot be meeting anyone else.
We cannot. Yes. Clearly we cannot. Yeah.
We cannot, and because it's for us, it's for we have no families around, so.
Yeah.
ना हमारे कोई माँ बाप हैं इधर और ना कोई cousins हैं like you said, so it makes sense.
It makes sense. And honestly, Aisha, working out itself makes a lot of sense. Anxiety हो रही है लोगों को, stress हो रहा है, so these 20 minutes.
बहुत बात करेंगे.
Exactly, these 20 minutes can actually change their entire dynamics, their mood.
Yeah.
So that'll be really nice.
Yes, but you know what? Sarah, like ladies, I understand कितना अपने आप को push करना होता है कि यार उठ के कुछ कर लें.
Yeah.
और खुद कुछ नहीं होता. Like when I was alone, I mean I am still alone, but if I don't have someone pushing me, तो मैं खुद उठ के workout नहीं कर सकती.
But that's what you're doing now. You're actually working out for all the rest of the women.
Yeah.
So घर में अपने बच्चों के साथ भी अभी कर सकती हैं workout.
बिल्कुल. So you guys can join us every day. We're gonna try to be here every day at 9:30, and you guys can work out with us. और एक और चीज मैंने बोलनी थी. What was I gonna say? हाँ, that अभी तक I've been training with my trainer Hydro, and वो अपने घर से live जाते थे, and we used to be live on my Instagram, and it was interesting, but it was also a little challenging because मुझे कुछ कभी कभार देखना होता था गौर से कि वो क्या बता रहा है और क्या कह रहा है. But now that I have Seher with me in like close proximity in this space, So I think it's going to be a little easier for me to understand,
Yeah.
and for you guys to see what we're doing also. So let's begin.
Let's begin.
Done.
Okay, so demonstration दे देते हैं पहले.
जी.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with 3 ab movements.
Okay.
Interval based है. So we're going to do each for 30 seconds. 30
seconds.
30 seconds each.
Okay.
Yeah. एक ab movement. Then after we're done with 3 movements, we're going to get into a 20 seconds break and we're going to repeat the same set 4-5 times. We'll repeat it for 4 times, but जो देख रहे हैं, they can repeat it as many times, maybe 6-7. You know, to feel more
Okay.
crunch in their abs.
Okay.
Movement 1 is Anshu.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll both be on the floor. A basic sit up, जो कि I think सबको ही पता होगा. I mean, you know, but you know, I should show it still for the audience. So
Yes.
knees are bent, legs are bent. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your arms out behind you, so that you're also squeezing your shoulders. You come up, touch your toes.
Okay.
And you feel a nice, you know, crunch in your abs. So breathe in as you come up, and you breathe out. So that's a
Okay.
basic sit-up.
और ये बहुत ज़्यादा उससे नहीं करना, like झटके से.
झटके से नहीं
That's
कर
very
रहे हो
slow
क्योंकि
movement.
हाँ exactly
Right.
back obviously ठीक
Right.
है. ये first हो गया. Second is single leg jackknife. So हम थोड़ा इससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा dynamic movement करेंगे. Again, what is it? It's you lie on your back. Again, your legs are in the air. Legs आपकी floor पे नहीं होंगी through and through. Legs in the air, hands out, arms behind you. You bring one knee in, crunch. You lift your chest up with the knee, and then you move out. So when you're moving out, your legs are still in the air. You get it?
Can you show the movement?
Okay. So you open up. Your chest is lifted. Your legs are lifted off the floor. You come up, knee in, and then leg out. And then you bring the other knee in.
Okay.
So we're doing alternate single leg jackknives.
ठीक है.
Yeah, ठीक है? थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा, but you'll be fine.
Okay.
Third movement is hollow hold. अभी से sweat कर रही हूँ मैं. Okay, third movement is hollow hold. So that's for upper and lower abs both. You lie on the floor, chest lifted, legs off, and you're gonna hold it. You're gonna control your breathing in from your nose, out from your mouth, and you're gonna hold it for 30 seconds. It looks easy. It's super intense.
Okay. Let's do this.
Try
Let's
it.
do this, guys.
Okay,
I
good.
hope they can see us.
Of course they can
Can you
see
go
it.
check के frame कैसे?
Yeah.
Seven.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
Okay, amazing.
So what we can do is we can start off in 10 seconds. Yeah.
Okay.
So हमने sit up करना है. Knees are bent, legs are bent.
Maybe you should ask your husband if he's tired of holding the phone.
Are you tired?
Oh.
Aww.
Sarah's husband is holding the phone for us.
Are
Very
you excited?
graciously इन्होंने
Yeah.
कहा कि मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ क्योंकि हमें tripod नहीं मिल रहा था.
I know, man. So what do you want? You want me to put the?
You can do whatever you want.
Okay.
I mean,
Are you
Are
good?
you tired? No, he's good.
I think so.
Okay.
अच्छा, sit-ups करने.
Alright, ladies, get ready because we are going to start now.
Yeah, in 5 seconds.
But अगर आप लोगों के पास कोई timer है,
Yeah, timer
Okay.
phones में होगा.
अगर नहीं है तो आप बस हमें follow करो.
हाँ, timer नहीं है, it's okay. अभी follow कर लो. Timer नहीं होगा. You can ask Aisha on her Insta. She's gonna share the link. How about that?
Link. It's going to be live for 24 hours.
Oh yeah, that's cool. लेकिन
Yeah.
अगर timer का किसी ने पूछना होगा,
हाँ.
so they can ask you, ना?
Yeah, of
You can
course.
send the link on. Okay, so we're gonna start off in.
Should I have water? Yeah, नहीं. अभी
नहीं, after
ठीक है.
after 4 rounds of abs. ठीक है, knees are bent, legs are bent. We're doing a basic sit up.
Okay.
Okay, and hands are up in the air, 1 inch off. Yeah, good. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Okay, that's 1. Breathe. You gotta come up, touch your toes. 2, nice. Keep breathing. Okay, that's good. 3, aram se. Back in, up, good. 4, look at that. Everything is on point. She's going back. She's taking her arms out. She's coming up, touching her toes. Nice. 5 seconds more, Aisha. Give me 2 reps. Hands out. Bring them in. Good. Now we're going to switch. Single leg jackknives. So single leg switch very quickly. Back in. Come up. One knee in.
Okay,
Chest
got it.
in. Okay, bring the chest in. Yeah, as you come up. Yes. And out. Bring the other leg out. Yeah. Looks
Okay.
good. and then the other and then the other in the end.
Okay.
Good. Keep switching. Nice.
And we were supposed to take a 10-second break or
No, there's no break. There's no break. You continue.
Okay.
We're gonna pick up in round 2. Awesome. Yeah. Bring the knee in.
I'm confused.
Okay. Hollow hold. Let's go. It's okay. We're gonna do it in the next round. So we're gonna get into a hollow hold. Lift your legs up. Good. Lift your chest up. Yes. Hands off. Yeah. Hands behind you. Oh.
Tough to do.
Come on. Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Stay there. Last few seconds. Okay. 5, 4. Come on, Aisha. 3. Come on, Aisha. 2, 1. Okay.
This is
That
tough.
is great. Okay, so we're gonna get into a 20 seconds break. We're gonna pick up in round 2. Stay tuned. You're watching Aisha doing the workout. A dream
Oh my
workout.
God, this is really tough.
5 seconds, Aisha. Come on. Stay ready. 3,
What are we doing?
2. Sit-ups. Round 2. 1. Let's go. 30 seconds. Come on. Good. Looks good. Touch your toes. Nice and easy. Good. Next is single leg jackknife. Okay? Good. Keep crunching.
Ugh.
Yes. Are you feeling anything in your abs?
Yes.
Looks good. Come on. Another 10 seconds, Aisha. Come on. Give me another few reps. Look at that. Come on. Come on, Aisha. Can't slack. Totally rocking it, Aisha. Come on. Give me one more and then we're going to move to the other. Okay. Single leg jackknife. Good. So yeah, out. Bring the other, one knee in. Chest in. Yes. Crunch. Out. Yes. Looks good, Aisha. Great. Okay, give me 2 more reps on each side. Then we're going to switch to hollow hold.
Okay, I have to
Your
tell you
favorite.
I have a back issue. So
Oh, okay. So what we're going to do is we can turn down. Okay, good.
we'll figure it out.
Yeah, figure it out. 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go. Get into a hollow hold. We're gonna switch to the other exercise. Don't worry. Good. Stay there for 10 seconds. Okay, breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. Good. Let's take a break. Yeah. What we can do is we can take a 20 seconds break and then get it ulta ho ja, get into an elbow plank. Yeah. That's going to be easy. So we're going to hold the plank for 2 minutes.
Guys, this is my first session with Seher. और
Yeah.
Seher को मेरी कुछ injuries का obviously अंदाजा नहीं है. Hydro बहुत सालों से 2 साल
Exactly. मुझे shoulder का पता था. I forgot. Yeah. I did not know about the back.
But this is good that
Exactly.
people have to discuss their injuries and keep
Yeah,
those
before
in
you
mind.
start working out. Okay, 3, 2, okay, 1. An elbow plank. 2 minutes. 2 minutes are on, Aisha. 120 seconds. Okay, looking good. The minute you feel tired, you feel that anything is hurting in your body, you can just rest for 2-3 seconds. Okay? Guys, you gotta check Aisha out. She's doing a 2 minutes plank live. Oh, great to see Aisha doing a 2 minutes plank, isn't it? Aisha, feeling it?
I can't talk.
Good. You still have 90 seconds, Aisha. Can't drop. Good. Good. Breathe. Breathe in. You got to tighten your core. And an elbow plank is really good for the back. So even if you have back issues, you're good to go. आप कर सकते हो आराम से elbow plank. Good. लेकिन elbow plank का भी ये है, beyond 2-3 minutes, it becomes useless. So it's best to do a 1 minute plank or a 2 minute plank or a 3 maximum, and then okay, good. 5, 4, Aisha, a 2-3 seconds break, lift. Let's go. 60 seconds more. Good. Once she's done with the plank, what we're going to do is we're going to pick it up. We're going to get into stretches. Good, Aisha. Down with 10 seconds, Aisha. You still have 50 seconds to go. Great. I hope you guys are enjoying. Everyone's enjoying, guys. Good. 40 seconds. Great. That's it, guys. Aisha, come on. Another 35 seconds to go. Stay. Yeah. Another 30. You can do this, Aisha.
I biked for 2 hours today, guys.
I know, guys. Cardio भी किया. I mean, मैंने 1 hour की cycling की. Aisha ने 2 hours की.
With the star break.
She's so strong, man. And then she was fasting on top of that. She's only doing this particular workout, obviously little for herself, but more for you guys.
Yes.
So yeah, keep watching. 5, Aisha, come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. That was awesome. That's the 2 minute.
I hope you guys are working out with us.
Of course. I mean, I'm sure they are.
I mean, सिर्फ देखिए मत यार, करिए आप लोग भी साथ.
Okay, let's get into stretches. Okay. Warm up कर रहे हैं आप?
Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with shoulder stretches. 3 seconds.
Okay.
3 to 1, let's go. So one arm, all around your shoulders. Okay, so stretches go upper body, then make one intense movement. Jacks. Okay, switch to the other arm. Good. Other arm, good, good, good. As soon as it rings, in 5 seconds, we're going to get into jumping jacks. 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go. Come on. Good, good, good. Keep jacking. दोनों नहीं कर सकते, थप्पड़ लगेगा. Okay, good. That's good. 10 seconds. काफी कार्डियो आयशा ने किया हुआ already, but
बहुत कार्डियो किया.
yeah, 3, 2, okay, 1. We're going to get into lower body stretches. So we're going to get into a squat. Nice squat, deep squat. We're going to come up, get into a front kick. Squat. We come up. Yes. With a jerk, drop down. Squat में knees आप लोगों के ठीक होने चाहिए behind your toes. Yeah, and you got to stick your butt out as much as you can. Looking good, Aisha. Totally rocking it. I'm super impressed. Okay, let's go. Jumping jacks. So jumping jacks again. Like I said, one upper body, one intense movement, one lower body. We're going to get into an elbow plank for back stretches. As soon as she's done, 3. Come on, Aisha, move. 2. Okay, 1. Drop yourself down onto the floor. Let's get into elbow plank. Come on, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Your favorite. Good. Go tight. As soon as it rings again, in 10 seconds, we're going to get into jumping jacks. ताकि हम stretches को end करें एक intense movement में. फिर हम break पे जाएंगे और हम फिर tabata शुरू करेंगे.
Is this a stretch? You mean a warm up?
This is a warm up. Okay, get up. Stretches and warm up together.
Right.
Jacks, come on out. Good, good, good.
How long is this?
This is roughly 3 minutes.
3 minutes के लिए हम warm up कर रहे हैं.
25
Right.
seconds each movement. We have 6-7 different movements. Good, Aisha, come on. 3, 2, okay, 1. Good.
Can I take my socks off because it's slipping?
Yeah, you can take whatever off.
Socks जो हैं वो
Socks
slip हो
mainly.
गए.
Okay. अब हम जा रहे हैं tabata करने. Tabata में every exercise हम करेंगे twice. Tabata has to be super intense. Like I said, it burns a lot of calories. 5 movements हैं Tabata के लिए हमारे लिए. एक different alternate movement हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं because Aisha has a back issue.
Well,
and a shoulder थोड़ा बहुत, so we won't be
Upper
doing
back issue.
upper back, and you have this shoulder वाला ना.
Yeah, I have a broken collarbone and my shoulder blade ये बाहर निकला हुआ है.
Exactly.
हाँ.
So हम push-ups नहीं करेंगे, उसकी जगह हम mountain climbers करेंगे. हम 4 intense movements करेंगे और हम फिर active recovery में जाएंगे. ठीक है?
So 20 seconds की exercise,
Yeah.
10 seconds की break. 20 seconds की exercise, 10 seconds की break, 20 seconds की. That's how we're gonna do it. And you think it's easy, but it's not.
But it's not. Or every exercise we're going to repeat twice.
Okay,
To
so
make
we're
it
doing
light.
4 exercises?
Yeah, we're doing 5.
5 exercises.
5 and just 2 rounds for today. ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay.
So 5 exercises करेंगे 20 seconds.
Exactly. And Aisha knows the movement. एक quick demonstration दे देते हैं. Exercise 1 mountain climbers है.
हाँ.
दे दे demonstration.
Discuss
Yeah.
this.
Okay. So
So
mountain climbers हैं. You know your hand. Keep running. Your hands are right under your shoulders, and you bring your knee in up to your core.
this is the first exercise.
First
guys.
exercise.
Okay.
Exercise 2, very quickly running on the spot. आप जैसे बाहर जाके run करते हो, आप on the spot run कर रहे हो.
Right.
Yeah. You can circle, you can whatever.
Okay.
ठीक है? Next is squat jumps. Very good for your lower body. So you get into a squat and you add a jump. 1. Good.
Okay.
2. Again, be very careful with the
With
knees,
your
guys.
knees.
क्योंकि knee का issue हो सकता
So
है
that's
squat से.
exercise number 3.
Yeah, and then we have exercise 4, which
Yeah.
is quick feet. Quick feet is really good for your calves. So आप legs wide करो, core tight करो, and you're gonna shake. I love this movement. My favorite.
All you have to do is shake. Okay.
Shake, okay. And last one is a plank.
Plank.
We're doing a lot of planks for a reason. Okay? Then we're gonna get into a 40 seconds break, and then we're gonna repeat. So
Amazing.
10 minutes.
प्लैंक्स की रीजन ये है कि हम बहुत ज्यादा ऑफ कोर्स खा रहे हैं अपने घरों पे बैठे हुए, बहुत टीवी शोज देख रहे हैं, बहुत स्टैग्नेटेड हैं. सो प्लैंक्स टाइटन योर कोर.
Yeah. Best movement for your abs is
Okay.
is a plank. Okay.
Are
so
you guys
let's
ready?
take- Ready, guys? We're going to start off with mountain climbers. So you have to be on the floor with your hands right under your shoulders, and I'm going to start in 3 seconds.
Okay.
3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Let's rock it. Good together. Maybe we can do this together. Good. Breathe. What we're going to do is we're going to keep breathing. Okay, you got to tighten your core. In from your nose, out. Come on. 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. That's a break. 10 seconds, guys. We're going to repeat movement 2. Stay ready. 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go, guys. Come on, Aisha. Mountain climbers.
Oh.
Same movement. Guys, look, check her out. Her hands are right under her shoulders. She's running on the floor. She's bringing her knees. That's fine. 3 seconds, guys. बहुत intense. बहुत heart pump हो रहा हो. You can take that break. 5 seconds. Exercise 2. Like I said, there's a 10 seconds break. Come on, Aisha, running on the spot. No sitting, no slacking. Let's go. Run. I love running. Good, good, good. Keep running. Guys, make sure अगर आप घर पे वर्कआउट कर रहे हो तो हार्ड सरफेस ना हो, कारपेट हो, कारपेट के ऊपर आपका योगा मैट हो, to give you that cushion. Good. 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds break. How are you feeling? Good. 5, 4, 3. Aisha, round 2, running on the spot. Let's go. Run, knees up. Keep running. Bring your knees higher. Aisha, breathe in from your nose. Yes, like that. And out from your mouth. Good. Good, good, good. Shake your arms. Good. Shake your arms. Good. 5. Aisha, come on. Keep pushing. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Okay. Exercise 3. Squat jumps. Stay ready. 3, 2. Okay, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Jump is higher. 3, 4, 5. Be very careful with the knees, guys. When you're getting into a squat, make sure that you're not pushing your knees forward. There's an arch in your back. 1 more, Aisha. Come on. Break. 10 seconds. Amazing. 5. It's heart pumping. 3. You can't talk. She can't talk. 1. Let's go, guys. Come on. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, Aisha. 9, 10.
She's saying something. What are you
3,
saying?
Battery.
2,
She's going.
1.
All you have to do is click on. It's okay. It'll stay.
Okay. 10 seconds, guys. Battery issue हो रहा है. We'll sort it out. 5. Quick feet, Aisha. So, our favorite movement. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, come on. Shake, shake, shake. So good. So good. Enjoying this? Good. 10 seconds, Aisha. Come on. Keep shaking. Nice. 5 seconds, Aisha. Come on. Good. 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1.
Guys, if my battery dies, my phone
Great.
will die. So that's just a
Bummer.
wager.
Yeah. Round 2, Aisha. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Quick feet. Good. Guys, she's not stopping. I hope you guys are not stopping. 10 seconds. It's just a matter of 20 minutes in a day. I'm sure हर कोई निकाल सकता होगा. 3, Aisha. 2. Okay, 1. Good. We're going to be on the floor. Get into an elbow plank. 1 time. And then a break. 3, 2. Okay, good. Again, guys, with the plank, notice that her elbows are right under her shoulders. Her core is tight. Her back is in line. She's not sticking her bum out. And her bum is not dropping down onto the floor. So much aligned. Aisha, come on. 3, 2, 1. That's the break. Good. 40 seconds break.
No, one more elbow plank.
No, one time. One active recovery. Drink your water. You want some water? Oh.
Okay,
How was
so
it?
I got it wrong, guys. We're repeating every exercise twice.
Yeah.
I thought it was just one time for one round. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So we're down to 10 seconds. At the 30 seconds के बाद, we're going to start all over again with the mountain climbers.
I'm not understanding why my battery is dying so soon because I charged. My phone was half, but the battery was like 50%. I
अभी
don't know
कितनी what
what
रहती है?
happened.
How much is left?
Well, if you got a notification, it's probably like.
It's the last
Really?
part.
Oh.
Mm.
Okay, another 10 seconds. So we're going to start off with round 2. 5 seconds, Aisha. So we're going to start off with mountain climbers on the floor, on your hands.
Oh.
Mountain climbers. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Climbers, keep running. Good. That's good running, Aisha. Guys, one more round, roughly 5 minutes. And then we're going to get into stretches. So don't leave. Keep working out. 5 seconds. These are basic movements that you guys can easily do at home. Good. 3, 2, come on, Aisha. Okay, 1. That's a break. 10 seconds. That was kick-ass.
I think I had too much water.
5 seconds. You need to have a sip of water. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Come on. If you're feeling anything, lightheaded, whatever, guys, you can take a break. अगर आपको वर्कआउट में कभी भी लग रहा हो कि आप nauseous हो रहे हो, आपका head light हो रहा हो, you can take your needed breaks and then restart. ठीक है? 3 seconds, Aisha. That's good running. 2. Okay, 1. Awesome. We're down with exercise 1. 3 intense movements to go. Can you take it?
Yeah, I
Yes,
just had a
you can take
banana
it.
a little while ago actually.
Banana should be good enough.
Yeah, but it's coming to here.
Running on the spot. Let's go. Move. Run. Run. Knees up, Aisha. Come on. Good, good, good. Keep running. Keep running. Awesome, Aisha. Come on. Bring the knees higher. Take the knees higher. Another 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. That's a break. I've never seen anyone run so smooth.
Really?
Really. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Aisha. Come on. Knees up. Good. Keep running. Keep running. Good. I'm sweating. मैं तो workout भी नहीं करी, but I'm sweating. Good. 10 seconds. Come on, Aisha. 10 seconds. Shake it off. Another 5 seconds, Aisha. Don't stop. 3. You still have 3 seconds to go. Breathe. 2. Okay, 1. Now stop. Amazing. We're going to get into squat jumps. अगर हमें लग रहा हो कि squat jump ज़्यादा हो रही है, so we're going to take it lightly, easy. 3, 2. Okay, 1. Let's go. We're going to go a little light because we just did the running on the spot. 3. So we're not going to go very intense during the squat jumps. Good. Good. Okay, give me 3 more reps. That's 3, 2. Okay, 1 last rep. Good. We take a break. Good. 10 seconds. We're going to do another round, guys. Squat jumps. I hope you guys are enjoying. 5 seconds. 4, 3. Aisha, come on. 2. Okay, 1. Let's go. Good. Guys, so check her from the side. Look at that. Her knees are behind her toes. She's pushing her bum. There's an arch in her back. Her shoulders are up. She's taking a nice jump off the floor. That's amazing. Give me 2 more reps, Aisha. Come on. 2. Okay, 1. Good.
Oh my god.
Quick feet. Let's burn our carbs, guys. 3, 2. Okay, 1. Aisha, come on. Shake it. Legs wider. Keep shaking. Another 15 seconds. Nice and easy, guys. Come on. Good. You still have 10 seconds. Good. 10, 9, 8. Can't stop. Good, good, good. Last 5. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. Done. Another round. Another round of quick feet and then an active recovery. And then we're done. 3, 2. Okay, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Come on. Shake it off. Good. Keep moving. Nice. Keep shaking, guys. Good, good, good. Guys, this is a very intense movement and it really, really burns your calves. 5 seconds. 4. But you gotta shake your bum. Good. Lower body as much as you can. 1 more second. Good. That's a break, Aisha. We're gonna get into an active recovery. Good. अच्छा, active recovery का concept ये है कि break नहीं है. 3, Aisha. 2. On your elbow. 1. Let's go. So एक्टिव रिकवरी का मकसद ये होता है कि आपको एक ब्रेक मिलती है, लेकिन वो ब्रेक एक्टिव होती है, वो इंटेंस नहीं होगी, बिकॉज हम इंटेंस मूवमेंट्स कर रहे थे टबाटा में. To get into an active recovery movement, what I've decided is we're going to do a plank. So she's not going crazy with the movement, but she's still engaging her muscles as needed. Drew. Oh, done. Done.
I did it!
You did it! Yay! Guys, we all need to clap for Aisha. I hope you guys are clapping behind the screens. It was quite intense. Trust me. It was.
So this is HIIT, right?
This is HIIT.
HIIT, baby, HIIT.
Stretches कर ले very quickly. You need to cool down because इतना heart rate ऊपर गया हुआ है. Please अपने mat को ऐसे नहीं छोड़ के जाना. You have to make sure that you get into post workout stretches and get into a cool down before you do something else. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into a child pose. So you're going to rest your bum on your shoes, on your feet. You're going to extend your arms out as much as you can. You're going to drop your head down. Again, be very sure that your elbows are off the ground. Good. Now she's taking her nice 10 seconds off before we get into stretches. So take deep breaths, Aisha. In from your nose, out from your mouth. Your hands forward as much as you can so that you also squeeze your lats, upper back. It's a very good back stretch. Okay? Okay, switch. What we're going to now do is, because we've done a lot of lower body movements, so we're going to get into a crossover. As we get into a crossover, we're going to...
Cross-legged, right?
Yeah, cross-legged. So we're going to bring one foot in, the other leg out, foot out, and then we're going to try to reach to one side, yes, like that. Because she's flexible, she's been working out already. So look at her. Aisha को knee bend करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, guys. But you know, if you cannot reach to one side, it's completely okay. What you can do is you can bend your knee very slightly, okay? And then drop your head down. Stay there. So you're feeling a nice stretch in your entire leg. Aisha, switch to the other side. Okay, bring the other foot in, the other leg out. Yeah. And then try to reach to the other side. Guys, stretches का एक और भी आपने जब stretches कर रहे हो तो आपने ये भी गौर करना है जब आप stretch कर रहे हो तो please shut your eyes. You got to shut your brains off and you got to concentrate on the stretch. अच्छा सा कोई melodious अगर music लगाना है, that's completely your call. वो लगा लो, candle lit कर लो, room की lights dark कर लो. You're gonna enjoy it so much more. Okay, switch.
True.
Again, cross-legged. हम तो light में कर रहे हैं. So, but anyways, now we're gonna get into upper body stretches. So you're gonna straighten your back. Again, engage your core. We're gonna get into biceps. So bring one arm forward, palm facing outward, downward, stretch. 5 seconds each should be good enough. 3, 2, and 1. Switch to the other arm, other side. Again, take deep breaths. Don't forget 3, yes. 2, okay, 1. Let's get into shoulders.
You don't do the backhand?
I don't do the backhand. You want to do the backhand?
Yeah.
Let's do.
I like it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so much better. Nice. Okay.
There are lots of ways to do this stretch, guys,
Yeah.
but this is the one we're doing today. Ouch. Okay.
Okay, we can get into shoulders because you've done a lot of planks. You've done a lot of So elbow se pakad lo and stretch it out to one side. When you're doing the shoulders, you're also engaging your obliques on one side. That to nahi ho raha hai stretch mein? No. Okay, good.
I do this a lot, but I do a moving one. Like
Acha, moving one.
What's it called? There's a word for it. के आप pulse करते हैं, है ना?
Some pulse stretch. Okay. Switch. Yeah.
How long have we been?
25 minutes of okay. Workout ka push ho na? Yeah. Okay. Now we can move out again. Stretch out.
Very good for your
लोअर बैक में मजा आ रहा है ना या सो गाइस स्ट्रेचेस देखो जो प्री वर्कआउट स्ट्रेचेस हैं वो क्विक इंटेंस डायनामिक जो पोस्ट वर्कआउट स्ट्रेचेस हैं वो स्टैटिक होने चाहिए ज्यादा लंबे होने चाहिए बिकॉज वी हैव अ टाइम यू नो ड्यूरेशन इन माइंड सो वी आर कीपिंग इट लाइटर एंड शॉर्टर ओके नाउ एंड यू कैन एंड इट नाउ आयशा यू कैन टर्न अराउंड You can lie on your back. You can loosen your body. Just lie flat on your back. जैसे लेट नहीं जाते बिस्तर पे, लेट जाओ अपनी
It's
legs
called a dead mat.
yeah, a dead mat. Stretch. अपने arms loosen कर लो. Okay, that's good. Shut your brains. Are you feeling nice, relaxed? Yeah, and take deep breaths. Yes, it looks good. You got to feel everything positive around you, release everything negative, and keep taking deep breaths in from your nose, out from your mouth. We're almost done in 5 seconds, so that's 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Good. You're done. How do you feel?
Good.
Energized. Energized, yeah. You don't feel tired. You actually feel energized.
Actually, I'm not tired and I'm not even hungry.
Yeah.
Like I can wait 45 minutes before I eat. Easy.
Yeah,
Pani
but-
shani pee ke. But you should know. What
Yeah.
I've heard is that you should wait at least 1 hour before you eat, after you work out, because आपकी सबसे ज़्यादा fat burning हो रही होती है post workout.
Yeah. That I agree with.
है ना?
Yeah.
So if you can stretch it to 1 hour,
That'd be amazing, yeah.
Stretch it.
But पानी पी लो.
पानी पीते हैं.
Yeah, पानी पी लो.
And I hope this was fun, guys. Seher has been very kind to be taking out, this 30 minutes every day. क्योंकि हम सब की quarantine schedules बहुत busy हैं.
I know.
बहुत busy schedule चल रहा है इनकी Zoom workouts की सारी classes हो रही होती हैं.
हमने अपने को बिजी कर भी लिया है, देखो हम साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं तो बिजी है
साइकिलिंग
ना.
करते हैं, फिर हम इफ्तारी करते हैं, फिर हम कुछ और करते हैं, फिर हम वर्कआउट करेंगे, फिर हम अपने वीडियोस बनाते हैं, फिर we're trying to keep ourselves busy in something else that we're gonna work on from tomorrow. बहुत एक interesting project and you guys will be finding out soon what it is. It's going to be very informative and it's going to help everybody get through quarantine and Ramzan and quarantine. पहले ही quarantine period, isolation period सबके लिए बहुत मुश्किल था.
बहुत, yeah.
But with Ramzan, I think it's there's a feeling of unity and peace.
Yeah.
That everybody is fasting and everybody is praying and meditating and connecting.
I agree. जो रूटीन थोड़ा ऑफ हुआ था, घर में
तो स्ट्रक्चर आएगा ना.
Exactly, yeah.
कि सबने इकट्ठे सहरी करनी है,
करनी तो
सबने
है,
इकट्ठे इफ्तारी
yeah.
करनी है. पहले तो सबके अपने मील टाइम्स हुए हुए थे,
Ask me about it.
I know.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited and I hope that we can help you stay fit during Ramzan. So inshallah कल मिलेंगे at 9:30. Hafiz. And I am going to
I just did it, I think.
end now.